Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study SSD effectively. First, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts rather than just rote memorization. Next, divide your study material into smaller, more digestible parts to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Finally, establish a regular study routine, dedicating specific times each day or week to SSD. This structured approach will significantly enhance your learning and retention. To truly master SSD, engage in active learning. After reading a chapter, try to summarize its main points without looking at your notes. A powerful technique is to explain complex topics to someone else. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Also, create flashcards for essential vocabulary, significant dates, and influential personalities to aid recall. These methods promote deeper engagement with the material. Effective organization and revision are crucial. Keep your notes well structured with clear headings and bullet points for easy review. Implement a consistent review schedule, perhaps revisiting topics every few days to reinforce memory. Try to link new information with what you already know. This creates a stronger mental framework. This systematic approach prevents last-minute cramming and improves long-term retention. Finally, practice applying your knowledge. Regularly attempt practice questions and past examination papers to familiarize yourself with question formats and time management. Engage in discussions with classmates to explore different viewpoints and deepen your understanding. Furthermore, try to connect SSD concepts to current events. This makes the subject more relevant and memorable. Consistent application is key to success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.